How to fix the issue of Grok generating you cartoon or anime photos instead of real photos. Now, me, I was trying to generate photos for my video. They are going to be kind of start frames, okay, images that I can use to generate a video from. So first of all, my story looks like to be an animation because a dog is going to save a cat. Okay, so I believe maybe to me, I thought like, okay, maybe because my story is more of fantasy, so I thought that's why it was generating these images. But I realized actually others are also getting images like this instead of real images. Okay, now I tried to tell Grok like, hey, I want them to be realistic, but still actually it was generating me something like this. Okay, then I said I used actually a prompt, something like generate ultra realistic photo, and then still actually I couldn't really get a realistic photo of a cat. Okay, something which is really usually simple. Then I used a prompt that I usually use in Grok, generate a high resolution photorealistic pic of a white and gray Korat cat and its kitten in a rural house. Then still I couldn't really get the real pic. Okay, so how did I fix it? Now, first of all, these scripts really work well. Sorry, these prompts work well. If you look at in Gemini, it's a real cat here, something like that. Even actually in Grok, it's just that sometimes I think Grok, I don't know why, it just gives you cartoon images. So what you do is you just have to kind of, let me just copy this because this is the same prompt that I usually always use. Okay, so you just have to go to chat, just have to go back to chat and try to regenerate it afresh. Okay, you leave the current chat history, try to create a new chat history. Okay, so put this fresh without any old history of any chat, because sometimes the history chat kind of affects the image that you get in Grok. Okay, to be sure that you're doing it rightly, just go afresh on chat so that you get a new window to generate this image. Then you do let me just do this. Okay, so usually this fixes all the issues. It's not really a big thing, but for some reason most cases people actually are having actually anime images instead of real images. Now if you're not actually happy with the images, at least actually this really looks real, though it looks like it's sick, but actually that is a real cat. So I can try to regenerate. There's a regeneration button. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can just regenerate. All right, so after regeneration, let me see if this is a better one. So at least actually they are real pictures, but they're not cartoon pictures. You can try to keep on regenerating until you get what you really want. Okay, that is it. And if you're interested in videos about AI, generating videos with AI and solving issues with Grok AI and other AI, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.